This sorting machine helps eliminate some standard citrus fruits, ensuring that only fresh and quality fruits are selected for the production process. Citrus pressing and packaging lines help preserve products better and create attractive and professional product packages. By using automatic weighing and packaging technology, this machine helps reduce errors and increase accuracy in the packaging process, ensuring that each package of onions has the correct weight and quantity. Expectation. A prime example of innovation in the food processing industry. Designed to automate the process from sorting to packaging, this line not only optimizes productivity but also ensures high quality of the final product. We're delighted you could join us on this adventure into the realm of food technology. Let us know your thoughts by liking and commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe for more engaging content. Until next time. The machine is equipped with hydraulic-driven wheels, ensuring smooth and less soil-sticking lifting of the beets. The following robot arms can also handle cabbage harvesting. With advanced vision systems, these robots can determine which cabbage heads are ready for picking. The Radius D plow machine with its soil-breaking cutting blade and rotating tiller pushes the grass away from the tree roots. This machine has a higher power output of over 25% compared to previous models. The flood bag is used to measure materials according to your desired quantity. This tool will undoubtedly save you time and protect your back compared to manual handling. A convenient design ensures that every chicken can drink water. The blueberry harvester is operating at full capacity on the water surface. The ripe red fruits are taken out of the water and quickly transported to a nearby boat. Two farmers are enjoying their work in a prone position with the assistance of the prone weeder machine. The Mamba collects rare plants and complex terrains. This valuable conservation tool is much more efficient than humans working in hazardous positions. Organic fertilizer is evenly spread at the base of trees without damaging the roots. Have you ever wondered why they only cut tulip flowers? Because tulips are not only used for display but also as food or medicinal herbs, especially keeping the bulbs for propagation. Logging on slopes requires a skillful machine, and the Timber Pro TL755D is that machine. With the support of chains it can easily move during the tree cutting process. Instead of exerting a lot of effort to carry this large rock, Stoneless will solve this. The self-propelled conditioner separates all the dry leaves from the seeds. The machine not only sorts but also prevents the seeds from breaking. 2 gust sprayers work simultaneously without human intervention. The sprayers at the rear of the machine ensure that all plant positions are evenly sprayed. The reverse plow machine makes your garden work easier.
With direct connection on the edge packer, stacking and loading the sandwich maker becomes a smooth and efficient process. Designed to optimize production processes, this automatic machine not only saves time but also increases efficiency and ensures product quality. With a perfect combination of advanced technology and meticulousness, the mini Oreos on MBD cookie capper are not only a great choice for consumers, but also a highlight in the food industry. Have you ever enjoyed their unique flavor? When you look at the delicious cake, you will feel the meticulousness in every line, every smooth crust, and every shiny grain. The sweet fragrance spreads throughout the space, making the taste buds enchanted and the eyes unable to take their eyes off these wonderful works. Looking at the rows of cookies arranged neatly and regularly on the production line, you will feel the sophistication and professionalism in the production process. Each cookie is not only a product, but also a work of art, created with the care and dedication of the workers.